Orangeburg, SC, a community known for its natural beauty and warm climate, has much to gain from embracing eco-friendly practices. One such practice is upgrading your home with energy-efficient window replacements. Beyond enhancing aesthetics and property value, this investment offers profound environmental benefits that align with the growing emphasis on sustainability. Here's why replacing your windows is not just a smart choice for your home but also a meaningful step toward a greener future. Reducing energy consumption. One of the most significant environmental benefits of replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient ones is the reduction in energy consumption. Traditional windows, especially those with single-pane glass, often allow significant heat transfer. In the summer, your air conditioning works harder to keep your home cool, while in the winter, heating systems struggle to maintain warmth. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials such as low emissivity, low-E glass, argon gas fills, and insulated frames to minimize heat exchange. By reducing the workload on your HVAC system, you not only save on energy bills but also decrease the demand for electricity, much of which is still generated from fossil fuels. Lower energy usage directly translates to fewer greenhouse gas emissions, helping to combat climate change. Decreasing carbon footprint. Every home in Orangeburg has an environmental footprint, largely influenced by energy use. Older, drafty windows can account for up to 30% of a home's heating and cooling energy loss. By replacing them with energy-efficient models, homeowners can significantly lower their carbon footprint. For instance, double-pane windows with low-E coatings can reduce energy loss by up to 50% compared to single-pane windows. When you scale this reduction across the many homes in Orangeburg, the cumulative effect is substantial. It not only contributes to cleaner air but also positions the community as a leader in environmental stewardship within South Carolina. Promoting sustainable materials. Modern window replacements often feature frames and components made from sustainable materials. For example, vinyl and fiberglass are commonly used because of their durability and recyclability. Many manufacturers also prioritize environmentally responsible production processes, using recycled materials and reducing waste. Choosing windows from companies with sustainable practices ensures that your investment supports eco-friendly industries. This creates a positive ripple effect, encouraging more manufacturers to adopt green practices and promoting a circular economy. Enhancing indoor air quality. The windows do more than provide a view. They are also a barrier against outdoor pollutants. Older windows with deteriorated seals can allow allergens, dust, and even mold spores to infiltrate your home. Modern windows, with their improved sealing technologies, prevent these contaminants from entering, leading to healthier indoor air quality. Reduced reliance on heating and cooling systems also means fewer emissions from indoor air pollutants generated by combustion-based HVAC systems. Cleaner indoor air contributes to better respiratory health for your family while minimizing your home's environmental impact. Supporting local ecosystems. Orangeburg's natural landscapes and wildlife are treasures worth protecting. Reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions through window replacement indirectly benefits these local ecosystems. Lower emissions mean less acid rain and fewer climate-related disruptions, helping to preserve habitats for native plants and animals. Additionally, some window designs, such as those with special coatings or UV blocking features, help minimize light pollution and heat reflection. This can mitigate the impact of urban heat islands and ensure a more balanced environment for local flora and fauna. Long-term waste reduction. Durable, high-quality windows have a longer lifespan compared to outdated models. By replacing inefficient windows with long-lasting alternatives, you reduce the frequency of replacements and the waste associated with disposal. Many modern window options are designed for easy recycling, ensuring that materials are repurposed rather than sent to landfills. Why Orangeburg homeowners should act now? The environmental benefits of window replacement are undeniable, and the timing couldn't be better. With advancements in green building technology and an increased focus on energy efficiency, upgrading your windows is more accessible than ever. Incentives such as tax credits, rebates, and energy efficiency programs in South Carolina further sweeten the deal for homeowners looking to make an eco-conscious choice. By choosing energy-efficient window replacements, you're not only enhancing the comfort and value of your home but also contributing to a healthier planet. For residents of Orangeburg, this means a greener community, lower utility costs, and a legacy of environmental responsibility. Let's make sustainability a cornerstone of home improvement and take meaningful steps toward preserving the beauty of Orangeburg for generations to come.